Humans have a total of 33 vertebrae, which are grouped into different regions of the spine. Here are the main types of vertebrae in humans. 1. Cervical vertebrae, C1 to C7. C1, atlas, and C2, axis, have unique shapes and allow for head movement. C3 to C7 are typical cervical vertebrae supporting the neck. Atlas, C1, is a ring-shaped vertebra, lacks a vertebral body, and supports the skull. Axis, C2, has a unique odontoid process, dens, that allows rotational movement of the head. The dens articulates with the atlas. 2. Thoracic vertebrae, T1 to T12. These vertebrae are associated with the ribs and form the upper and mid-back. Each thoracic vertebra has a vertebral body and processes for articulating with the ribs. Spinous processes point downward, and the facets on the transverse processes articulate with the tubercles of the ribs. 3. Lumbar vertebrae, L1 to L5. These larger and stronger vertebrae support the lower back. They have larger vertebral bodies to support more weight. Spinous processes are thick and point posteriorly. Facets on the superior and inferior articular processes allow for stability in the lower back. 4. Sacral vertebrae, S1 to S5. Fuse together to form the sacrum, forming a triangular-shaped bone. These vertebrae are located below the lumbar region and connect the spine to the pelvis. Contains sacral foramina for the passage of spinal nerves. Articulates with the pelvis, contributing to the pelvic girdle. 5. Coccygeal vertebrae, Co1 to Co4. Fused into the coccyx or tailbone, a small triangular bone. These vertebrae are at the base of the spine. Rudimentary spinous processes and transverse processes. Understanding the specific features of each vertebra helps in appreciating their functions and how they contribute to the overall structure of the spine.